Alright guys, today we're doing my house tour. This is my house. So as you can see, that's my e-bike, my dog named Lucy, stuff. So my grandma, this is where my grandma cooks, and my grandma like cleans the clothes. So you can see, yeah, my gate. This is my garage, or whatever you call this, chest, shoes, yeah, inside the couch, TV, yeah, that's where we eat, and this is the kitchen where we wash the dishes, get water from, and get the foods from your breakfast, or so,
Kakausapin natin ngayon sa kabilang linya itong
a
Secretary ng
potato,
Barangay Kabangahan, Consolacion, Cebu.
yeah, and upstairs, it's my red shoes. Right, and this is my aunt's room. Yeah, her stuff. I don't know about this one. This is my other aunt's room. For some unknown reason, it's locked. I don't know why. And the bathroom. This is where I shower. I don't just shower that much. I just use that. This is where I poop. Cause who doesn't poop, bro? We need to poop right now, bro. And pee, shampoo, and toothpastes. It's a lot of toothpaste that was never used. Soap and yeah, shampoo. And bidet. We don't use toilet paper. We just use bidet, so it's much more. So our butt is cleaner. It's so toilet paper. Yeah, with the shoes and plushies and my wooden gun up there. Yeah, that's the other one. I have another one there on the cardboard, so let's get that. And this is where we put our, what's that called? Like what do you call this in English? We call this toilet in Tagalog. This thing I just forgot what it's called in English. Oh yeah, towel. I just forgot. So let's get down. The mirror, that's not a window, it's a mirror.
Ang daanan ay daanan naman pala pang tao, pero walang pang sasakyan. So, ano kung hinahanap natin dito na daanan na hinihingi mo kay Kagawad? Pang sasakyan o pang tao?
Stuffs and toys, you can see that's my name over there on that wooden toy. In my room, yeah, I sleep in the couch, but I just curious, my grandpa essentially sleeps in the couch. Yeah, my grandma was sleeping here too. Yeah, this is because grandpa is sick, so that's why he's not here. Cause he's sick, it might affect on my grandma, so that's why he's on the couch.
And this is under the bed.
Yeah, and this is Bulgaria now. We gotta open this castle. I think that's the end, guys, and bye.
Bye.